Bum charts can be used to visualize change in ranks over time. Let's see how to make one in Excel. We'll use this data that shows the rank of 6 teams over past 4 years. To create a bum chart, we'll select the data, ensure not to select the header, and then they will insert a line marker type of chart. What we get here is not quite the form that we want. Here each line represents a year, while we want the other way around. That is, each team to be represented by one line. So we switch row and column. After the switch, the plot looks much more like what we want. Next, we will add the labels. We'll insert the labels. And then we will reverse the y-axis. Now we want our rank 1 to be shown at the top, so we need to reverse the y-axis. And we will set the bounds from 1 to 7. If needed, we can reduce the gap between the y-axis and the labels. We can change the position of the legend by placing it towards the left-hand side and adjusting its size. We can align the team names with the respective lines. And here our bum chart is ready. We can customize it further by adding the chart title. So you see how simple it is to create a bum chart using Excel. Thank you for watching.